Okay. Asthma, you first on the docket. You gotta make your pain pay you. You have to take all the L's and flip them. Learn and earn. And y'all ready for this healing place tour? Alright, man. Y'all got it all. Kicking off 2020, visiting 20 cities. Man, it's going down. Shout out to Queen Asna for that. Yeah. Hit the healing and revealing. The healing and revealing. Okay, this is my guy, Trey. Getting Miss Sheila Henry ready to protect herself. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's an old lady, man. These teenagers tried to, run up. Ooh, she cold-blooded too, boy. Man, them teenagers don't want to run up on her again. Shit, run up on her and take her truck, man. Them boys is tripping. She ain't playing no, look at that. I thought that was a guy at first, but okay, we're gonna keep scrolling. It was this free skating, free food, free ice cream. This is today and it's free. Yeah, y'all go fuck with the guy at Glenwood, Illinois, in Chicago. Elohim 79. You don't know what, you benefiting some. How we kill our sons on before they die in the streets. I mean, that women praying for a good black man, but they are usually. Yeah, man. My stuff don't bother me. You know what that is. Okay, yeah, I like to travel like that. When you grow now, what exactly goes into your body? Shit, I can't grow a motherfucking thing. I gotta look for the organic or whatever. I grow anything, that shit gonna die. What the hell is this? That's a rap, one love, I say. Okay, shit. Join our Ghana Africa travel group to be placed on the list. The village is growing. Man, Instagram be having some crazy stuff. Shout out to Black and Noble, man, though. They got some good stuff. When you learn how to suffer, you suffer much less. Bitch, you better get your welcome the Cardinal Enchantress. Okay. Emery launches her own book club. I'm sorry to know can read book club. She ain't reading a motherfucking thing, boy. Reading some bullshit. Detoxing. Yeah, detox, man. Y'all know what it is. I don't know what this is, but shout out to them. Lazo T. Divine One 2020. Yeah, they get their product. They got a lot of ingredients in there. A lot. Oh, okay. Vegan. Okay. It worked. Here is a reaction. Courage is a decision. Man, these quotes, dog. Y'all better get y'all. Your first mistake was thinking that I'm one of your sheep. This is an ugly ass wolf, boy. Oh, babe, look at them eyes. Nah, I ain't eat the. Yeah, I see a Dr. Sabi post every day, boy.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you a question.
Dr. Sabi is the
in
man
his book,
in these streets.
Let's Get Well, Pablo Areola states that people of African descent are not programmed or cannot digest milk, cheese, and other dairy products. Could you elaborate on this?
Old ass man right here.
Yes, this is the reason for establishing the African
Peace to the God, Sabi.
When Mr. Pablo Areola made a statement that we are not programmed to digest milk if you are of African descent,
that cheese and stuff, you call them a nigga's name.
But many of the readers of the book did not, primarily because there is a part of this whole healing process that need to be considered and was never brought to the forefront. whether
Apple cancels movie premiere about historically black-owned bank amid sexual abuse allegations. Hey, y'all know what it is, man. This is white supremacy, boy. Y'all know what time it is. Don't be fooled by any of that stuff. They ain't gonna see y'all getting money. You think they want to see y'all getting money? I wouldn't even buy into that shit. Who cares?
Like me,
that shit be.
Sometimes I even invest some of my own money.
It look like it's gonna be a good movie,
How would
though.
you like to buy a bank?
What the hell do we know about banking?
Owning a bank is like owning the other side of the real estate business.
Banker.
There's a few complexities.
Instagram roast. Actual footage of me visualizing my new life before I set my intentions. With your holistically hilarious ass heel off. Shout out to my sister, man. Justice when you get what you deserve. Mercy when you don't get what you deserve. Whatever. My wealth is in my knowledge of self, love, and spirituality. Yeah, I feel that, my brother. Did Muhammad Ali say that? Cash flow. Okay, everybody try to come up. This with these Tattoo Tuesdays, you better get her big old banana grade looking gold son. It's okay to have 100% black babies. They are beautiful. Yep. Shout out to the kids. Yeah, I know that. That's that shit right there. That bite back. Y'all better get on it. Oh, okay. Black Pride looking ass. You know what time it is. Call y'all. Let's see if the sound works. Within the power of imagination. Damn, sound don't even work. Bullshit. I don't even want to hear what he had to say anyway. And your parents are not rich but still afford to give you a beautiful life. Appreciate their sacrifices. Okay, man, get y'all inspirational ass quotes out of here. What is this? Ever heard of the story of Ruby McCall? When this black woman shot a white doctor in the 1950s and ugly so that secret came to light. Yeah, the darkness comes light, and she is dark, and that nigga is definitely... Alrighty then. I don't know what that is. Hey, I follow everybody, man. Y'all funny. Don't waste your energy bashing religion every day or beating a dead horse or caught in the web of grieving over racists. When you know, alright, that's one of them religious things, yeah. We don't fuck with religion. You know what it is. Chances are you know who you were.
What I'm trying to tell you is ultimately, it ain't about the religion.
I like to see
it's about the spirituality.
Bobby,
right? You spiritual before you are religious. Religion is man-made. Really, some stuff is getting ready to hit the earth. You got to know what it is. So you got to get off the spookism. You catching hell. Only devil that exists as far as the embodiment of evil is the white man. And you ought to know that more than anybody else in the universe. Horus, which is the Christ is coming back. Soot, Soot-har. The original God is called Soot. Soot-on, Soot, which means the black one. Anubis means the dog, which is messenger. Anubis, Soot-on, which means the opener. He goes to Greece and is known as Pan. And this is the doggone symbol of Pan in Greece, which the ancient black Greeks put in before the white man came in. And then what I'm trying to tell you is ultimately chaos that way. Hell, that's what you in now. We're talking about the cosmic ethers of spirit, where this particular physical realm, the hologram disappears. And that comes to the word pan-demon. Pan-demon. People say, well, why are you getting all crazy now? Because I got to a certain level and you learn a certain knowledge and you can't go back to the stuff. You got to tell the people what the deal is. You got to get off of spookism. How is it that the doggone, you didn't need no book at first. You went to a schoolhouse and they taught you how to become gods. G-O-D, generator, operator, and destroyer. gods of the universe. That's what the main thing to the mystery school, the key to the mystery school is Godhood. Now, so what happens is your ego likes it here. It wants to stay. Then it meets with this demon called the cardinal zone. And this particular demon devours the ego. That's your higher self. Chaos that way don't exist. When you see this robotic goat, this is energy. They took a hieroglyph or an icon to explain the most powerful energy on the planet. You understand? You see the third eye. That's the third eye in you. See what I'm saying? That's called the third eye of Lucifer, which means light bringer. It's a story that's going on in a school of the souls, and they ain't got nothing to do with no damn devil up under no ground and you going to hell. You are mixing in religious fundamentalism into esoteric teachings. Now, this is what I'm trying to tell you is up